GreatTastesMV.ca is your online source for over 500 tried and true recipes, full episodes on demand, and exclusive behind-the-scenes content, including features on Manitoba's farm families. Subscribe today.
Welcome back to Great Tastes of Manitoba. Tonight we are here with Tressa Beaulieu, and we're making our third recipe tonight, easy cheesy hash browns. Now, you got to be careful with this because you make it once at a family event. The next thing you know, you got to make it for every family event, and then the next thing you know, you're making it on a cooking show with thousands of people watching. So, and here we are. But you know what? It's just that good. So tell us what goes into this, Tressa.
All right, so up first, we pan-fried our frozen hash browns, the cubed hash browns. I thawed them first, but you don't have to.
Okay.
Like if you want to throw them in frozen and fry them up in some canola oil, that's fine too.
Well, there was some discussion because I think there's a couple of us that sort of have a different version of this, but this was kind of new for us. So you find that frying them ahead of time just kind of crispens them up a little bit. Is that kind of the purpose of that?
Yeah, everyone loves a crispy hash brown.
Sure.
Yeah, so what I've started here is my melted butter, and then I'm going to be adding our mushroom soup into here. So we're making our mixture.
Okay.
Yeah. Next up is our sour cream.
Got lots of lovely dairy things to add into this one. So creamy, so wonderful. Okay.
Go. Then
look at that! It's already looks so yummy.
Then we have our onion. So this is just minced onion.
Delighted to have more Peak of the Market onion as part of this wonderful recipe.
And our cheddar cheese.
There it is.
Going in.
So I guess you could substitute different kinds of cheese in this as well, but this is kind of a classic, right? Like cheddar and hash brown potatoes is just hello.
Something. Yes, exactly.
Yeah.
Then we're gonna do a little bit of salt and pepper.
Okay.
Yeah.
So just a bit of that. I thought first thing you were gonna dump that
I do
whole
like
thing
pepper.
in there.
Yeah, I do. Imagine just
I do too. Yeah, just dump it all in there. See
you
what
can
happens.
add it after too if you want more. And then we're stirring this up. So I like to stir it all up first before I add my hash browns or the potatoes. Main reason, just because they don't get broken up.
Right.
Yeah,
Oh, okay.
and mushed, right?
Okay, makes sense. And now, could you use the shredded, or is it more like the cubed that's going to hold the whatever?
That's personal preference.
Whatever.
Whatever
okay.
you have in the freezer. You know, it should be kind of one of those like in one bowl and into the casserole dish
Yeah.
kind of meal, right?
If you're thinking about it too much, you're probably thinking more than you need to.
Exactly. All right, so we're ready for our potatoes here.
All right.
Would you like to do it?
Sure.
Okay. Awesome.
There we are.
Great.
Okay.
And I'm going to mix those in. So I like to be a little gentle at this part because I don't want to get them all smushed, right?
Yeah.
It's not mashed potato bake. It's just hash.
Right. Yeah, awesome. Okay.
Okay. Once we do that, we are going to put it into our casserole dish.
And again, all the different variations that of things that you could put in there, right? Just different, bits of whether it's bacon or ham or whatever it happens to be,
yes,
right?
you can add whatever you have.
like.
Yeah,
Okay.
exactly. So now I'm going to add this into our casserole dish.
Okay. But oh wait, we have one more step. I'm getting all excited about what's in the oven here already. We've got one more thing to go here.
You ready for brunch?
Yes, I am. Really.
All right, so flatten this out a little bit, spreading it around, and then we are going to be ready for our Parmesan cheese before it goes in the oven.
Okay.
So I will snag that.
There you go.
Thank you.
So maybe while you're doing that, I am going to get the one that's ready to go here. Show you what it looks like, because it is a beaut. Ooh.
There she is.
Tra-la. Magnificent.
Easy cheesy hash brown
And
bake.
really, and how long did this bake for? Like
It baked for 1 hour
Okay.
in there, yeah. So it, just like to get the crisp up edges and making sure that the center's cooked, cheese is melted, and you are golden.
just a little bit of green onion on
green
top
onion, just to give it
finish
that
it up.
color, yeah.
Okay, wonderful. So thank you, Tressa, for taking care of brunch for us today. We're always so delighted to introduce you to our different Manitoba farm families, and we have a dairy farm family that we're going to introduce to you next here on Great Tastes of Manitoba. Stick around.
You're watching Great Tastes of Manitoba, filmed on location at Supper Central in Kenaston Commons.